Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I use this beauty blender. So let's put some makeup on and see how it soaks in. First, you gotta add some water to it, of course. Alright, so look at that. It's all nice soaked in. Gets a little bigger when it's got the water on it. So let's put some makeup on and I'll show you how it blends in. Here we go. I'm going to go in with the side. Oh wow. That has like massive reach. It's really pushing the makeup tight in there with my pores. Now, I've been using these types of beauty blenders for a while, and I really think this shape gives you just the best tool to use on your face. You know, you can use this, and if you want to cut crease in your eyeshadow or whatever, you can totally get one of these. It's great. Here we go. So that's the difference. My skin is out. But yeah, great beauty blender. Look at that. Fresh out of the package. That's how it's going to work. And I am totally impressed with it.